Is it time to buy or sell MicroAlgo stock? In this video, we are diving deep into MicroAlgo. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 23rd of May, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, click the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 5th of May, 2025, our system has ranked MicroAlgo as a strong sell candidate, assigning it a score of -5.83. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock experienced a loss of 53.52%. This results in an average loss of 3.57% per day since it was identified as a strong sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned at the lower end of a very wide and declining trend in the short term, which often presents an excellent buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor at 0.319 is breached, it will initially suggest a stronger rate of decline. The existing 3-month trend indicates a potential decrease of approximately 12.36% over the next 3 months, with a possible range of returns between -84.90% and 958.74%. In terms of the longer perspective, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of -27.23%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between -100% and 9,965.93% over the upcoming year. In practical terms, this would place the future price somewhere between 0 and 186.22. Our latest daily update for MicroAlgo includes the headline, "Volatile Ride for MicroAlgo Inc. Stock Price on Friday, moving between $1.71 and $2.63. The MicroAlgo Inc. stock price fell by 14.75% on the last day, which was Friday, the 23rd of May, 2025, from $2.17 to $1.85. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 53.80% from a day low at $1.71 to a day high of $2.63. The price has declined in 7 of the last 10 days and is down by 20.94% over this period. Volume increased on the last day by 20 million shares, but this occurred alongside falling prices. This may serve as an early warning, and the risk could slightly increase over the next couple of days. In total, 116 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $214,082,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $509.60, while the lowest price was $1.11. Currently, the price is 99.64%, or $507.75, below the 52-week high, and 99.99%, or $14,298.15, below the all-time high on the 13th of December, 2022, when the price reached $14,300. MicroAlgo Inc. has made significant advancements recently, announcing the development of several cutting-edge technologies. On May 14th, the company revealed its research on a quantum information recursive optimization algorithm aimed at solving combinatorial optimization problems. This breakthrough could position MicroAlgo as a leader in a rapidly evolving field. Just a few days earlier, on May 12th, the company introduced a quantum convolutional neural network (QCNN) architecture designed to enhance traditional computer vision tasks. This integration of quantum mechanics with classical neural networks could potentially elevate the performance of AI applications, making them more efficient and effective. In another notable development, MicroAlgo announced a quantum image encryption algorithm on May 8th, offering enhanced security for image protection. This algorithm leverages quantum key images and entanglement principles, showcasing the company's commitment to innovative security solutions. Financially, MicroAlgo is experiencing a turnaround, reporting strong net income for 2024, driven by robust demand for their central processing algorithm services. With a reported revenue of approximately $75.3 million and a net income of $7.3 million, the company is moving away from previous losses and signaling a positive growth trend. The strategic investments and advancements in quantum technology could lead to increased investor confidence, likely boosting the stock in the short term. Additionally, these developments position MicroAlgo for long-term growth as the demand for quantum computing solutions increases across various industries. This combination of technological innovation and strong financial performance could propel MLGO's stock price higher in the coming months. Analysts have assigned MicroAlgo stock a general sell rating. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell, and the price-to-book value similarly as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts also rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for MicroAlgo. There are mixed signals in the stock today. The MicroAlgo Inc. stock holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this adds a more negative forecast for the stock. If there are further gains, the stock will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $7.28. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find some support from the short-term average at $1.66. A breakout above the long-term average will generate another buy signal, whereas a drop below the short-term average will introduce an additional sell signal, reinforcing the overall trend. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, March 31, 2025, and so far, the stock has fallen by 92.37%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot has been established. Volume increased on falling prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning, suggesting that closer monitoring of the stock is advisable. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Here are some additional signals you may find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots show a sell signal from 39 days ago. Bollinger suggests a buy signal from 252 days ago. The short-term moving average signals a buy from 3 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicates a buy from 26 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages reflects a buy signal from 25 days ago. Observing the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average indicated a sell signal 30 days ago. The long-term moving average showed a sell signal 19 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages provides a buy signal from 8 days ago. For more signals, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for MicroAlgo. MicroAlgo Incorporated finds support from accumulated volume at $1.80. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is expected when the support is tested. This stock can experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be extremely high risk. Over the past day, the stock moved 92 cents between its high and low, which is an increase of 53.8%. In the past week, the stock has had an average daily volatility of 38.19%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for MicroAlgo, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even well-established companies can go through challenging periods, often due to circumstances beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest a lack of profitability and potential risks of bankruptcy. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for MicroAlgo. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for MicroAlgo is at $2.10. If you do not own any shares, it may be advisable to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, MicroAlgo encounters its first support level at $1.80. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for MicroAlgo from multiple analyst sources is to sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock is more than 3 months old. The latest transaction occurred on the 30th of September, 2024, when SBI Securities Company Limited conducted an insider purchase of 0 shares. We have a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is MicroAlgo stock a good buy? MicroAlgo Inc. currently presents several negative signals, and we anticipate that it will continue to perform weakly in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we have a negative evaluation of this stock. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical picture, we have revised our analysis conclusion for this stock from a sell to a strong sell candidate since our last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 27th of May, we expect MicroAlgo to open higher by approximately 21 cents and begin trading at $2.06. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree and are responsible for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. Wishing you successful trading, and may you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.